Hello, BC Calculus. I hope this is working. Trying to record the first one. I'm doing Kind Taylor. I always want to start with the kind stuff first. I hope yours looks like this one. This one is pretty nice. So this is where they want you to build a Taylor polynomial. So let P sub n denote the nth degree Taylor polynomial about x equals 0. Therefore, it's really a Maclaurin. So if they say Maclaurin, you know the center's at 0. All right, so on the first one, it tells you the P1 of a half. So that means the first degree Taylor polynomial, otherwise known as a linear approximation, is equal to -3. So the first thing I'm going to do on this one, and please know I'm going to save this document as well, so you can reference it as I'm going through the video. On part A, we know that P1 of x is equal to, let's see, we got f, so f of 0 plus 1 over 1 factorial, first derivative at 0 times x to the first. And then it would be plus 1 over 2 factorial, the second derivative, x squared for the second degree, but we want first degree. Okay, so now what do we know? Well, we know f of 0 equals -4. And that's all we know. So therefore, plus, well, 1 over 1 factorial is 1. The first derivative at 0 times x. That is P1 of x. All right, so that means that P1 of a half, every place I see x, I'm going to put in a half now. I get -4 plus the first derivative at 0 times half. Oh, and you told me that was equal to what? Oh, -3. All right, I'm probably going to do these one a piece at a time, so this video shouldn't be too much longer. Let's see, scroll up. And then what do we get? -4 plus, I'm sorry, I'm just going to rewrite it, times a half equals -3. I want to solve for f prime of 0, so add 4 to both sides. And that becomes f prime of 0 times a half equals 1. Multiply both sides by 2. The half and the 2 cancel. And we find out the first derivative, like they told us, is equal to 2. All right, so that's part A.